A large oil and gas facility just blew up. Dozens of people were killed and injured. Who is responsible? Hello and welcome back to the Explosion Protection Professional EXPP Micro-Learning Series. I'm Bob Johnson, your guide through the world of explosion protection. In our last videos, we learned about area classification, protection concepts, gas properties and groups, temperature codes, and marking strings. Today, we're going to dive into a crucial topic that revolves around the shared responsibility for the safe design, installation, and maintenance of electrical equipment in hazardous flammable atmospheres. Coming back to the question I raised at the beginning, typically, industrial accidents are usually not the result of one person making a mistake. It generally lies in the fact that other activities that maybe should have taken place previously were either forgotten or overlooked, and the last act was the lit fuse that went off. In the world of explosion protection, safety is a collaborative effort. It's not just one person's duty, it's a shared responsibility among various stakeholders. The safe design, installation, and maintenance of electrical equipment are essential to prevent accidents and explosions in hazardous areas. The 60079-14 standard provides guidance on the competency requirements for those involved in these activities. Let's not overlook the responsibility, however, of manufacturers as they are tasked with the designing of electrical equipment that meets the required safety standards. Competency of the manufacturer in consistently providing a safe product is an area we cannot overlook. Then comes the designer, who plays a crucial role in ensuring that the equipment selected is correctly rated in accordance with the project specifications, based upon not only the performance of the equipment, but also its EX ratings. The installer plays a big role in this and well. We can select the correct product for the application, but if it's not installed as per both the manufacturer's instructions and the requirements of the relevant standards, everything up to this point is all for naught. The operation personnel, once it's installed, is another important member of the team and is responsible for inspecting and maintaining the equipment. They ensure it continues to function safely and reliably. Even job functions outside of what we might think play a role. Purchasing, in sourcing a product, in finding a less expensive solution without confirming with the design engineer, could inadvertently select a similar product at a better price but may not be in compliance. And unless senior management takes an active role in providing a leading voice in safety within the organization, potentially dangerous issues can arise. Lastly, there's the inspector or auditor who assesses the design, installation, and maintenance to verify compliance with standards. It's no different than the concept of a chain that is only as strong as its weakest link. If any one of these roles are overlooked, we can find ourselves asking what happened when a facility I was involved in some fashion resulted in a loss of life, and wondering if it was something that I did or did not do. By understanding and fulfilling these competency requirements, we ensure that electrical equipment in hazardous, flammable atmospheres is designed, installed, and maintained to the highest safety standards. As professionals in explosion protection, we must recognize that the safe design, installation, and maintenance of electrical equipment is a collective effort. Each stakeholder's role is crucial in ensuring safety and compliance. For those of you who want to learn more, feel free to visit academy.bartec.com, your digital learning hub. Subscribe and enjoy our learning offering in explosion protection awareness and competency. Follow us on LinkedIn, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit bartec.com. Reach out to me, and I will personally answer your questions. Thank you for joining me today. In our next video, we'll learn how to achieve personal competence in EX and how we can assist you on your journey in becoming EX competent and obtain your EXPP competence certificate.
If you want to go beyond explosion protection awareness to reach a higher level of competency and compliance, please visit our Academy website. Email at academy@bartec.com, call us at 281-214-8542, or reach out to any of our partners and BARTEC offices worldwide. It would be our pleasure to send you the brochure and information about our digital and in-person explosion protection professional competency certification program. you will receive a BARTEC Academy EX-VP certificate and have the option to obtain your IEC EX certification of personnel competency for you and your whole team.